Hey everyone, so today I filmed this look. My name is Vanessa and I'm a senior face designer for Giorgio Armani Beauty and a skincare expert.
I tell you like this. I tell you like this. I tell you like this.
Alright, now that I'm all bare-faced, I'm going to get right into skincare. So let's start with the Armani Privē Smart Moisture Serum. And then I'm going to use the Armani Privē Balm. First, I will apply this serum, just a few drops of that all over. I love this serum because it gives me just that 24-hour hydration. Makes the skin feel really dewy, and if you're somebody who's dry like me, it's just kind of that extra boost that you need. Now, I love this balm. Open it.
3 hours later.
Voila. Okay. And now I'm going to be using my Armani Privē Balm. It's gonna lift. Oh, okay. Get it on the neck. This is the Creminera Eye Serum, and it's great for puffiness. Under my makeup or right before I go to bed, I put this on under my eye cream, and I feel like it's working. I just feel like it absorbs right into the skin and it does what it says it's gonna do. It's my favorite foundation in the world, and it's probably yours as well. It's award-winning, has a microfill technology, so it really looks like second skin. It makes the skin look nice and airbrushed. Gives enough coverage but doesn't feel too made up or cakey. So let's get into that. I'm gonna try the color 6.25. Might be a little warm since I'm kind of pale. I'm actually liking this. I think it's the warmth that I'm lacking, the sun that I need. This is my in-between shade. I have like 3 different shades a year, so I'm 3 different tones. If you want the most flawless finish, this brush is great because it sort of paints it on the skin, but at the same time you can buff it in areas that it creases. So if your makeup creases, like I crease around here, so what I do is, so there's not too much product sitting on top, I just buff it out like so. I just buff it like that. And it's kind of like the same concept of using a beauty blender or a sponge. And for my face, I use about 2 to 3 pumps. I'm always a little paler in the center of my neck, so whatever product is left, I just like to bring it down. I don't go and add more product to my neck because it's not good for the white shirt. See, that is perfect because you want to lift. You don't want to make your cheeks look lower. You want to give them that oomph, that lift. And then also, what I do like to do, this is my area. You could do the center of the nose, and I'll do that after with the smaller brush because I like to be a little bit more precise. So I'm going to be using the eye tints. Just put on 2-3 colors and you could get it done so quickly. It doesn't require a lot of blending. They're liquid, but they stay on and they don't crease. I'll be using, it's like a hair on this brush. I need new brushes, Armani, you hear me? So I'll be working first with the crease color. This one also comes with the applicator, so you don't really need a brush if you're in a rush. Bars, but no, if you don't need a brush, but I love to blend. I'm the blending queen. I noticed when I used to tell my clients, and a lot of makeup artists do this, they say do like a sideways V or, you know, a triangle, but I realized it would do their V's like down here, so it would just like droop their eyes. So now I say do a 7. 7 is up and straight across, right? There's no drooping. I feel like I need a little more right there. A little bit. Now we're gonna do just the corners. So I want to use a darker brown color in the corner. Now I'm going to use the liquid eye tint in number 34 and apply it all over my lid. After done applying the eye tint to the lid, I then apply the Eyes to Kill Stellar with my finger again, and I just like to go all over the lid with this. It's like a beautiful bronzy gold, and it just warms the lid up just a bit. One last color of the eye tints, and this one I'm going to actually apply it on the lower lash line. It's number 27. I believe this one is called Sunset, and it's just like a beautiful rosy. If you do get a little redness around the eye and it makes you look tired if you wear purple or red colors, then I would skip this part and I would just do mascara, or you can use a little bit of the 39, which is the darker brown color I put in my outer corner. You could just bring that a little bit on the lower lash line. But I just like this step because it just gives a pop of color. And I'm gonna go right on the lash line and just work my way in and kind of wiggle it back and forth. This is the number 4. It's a black, but it's a really soft pencil. And then remember, pencil is a little bit harder to get a perfect line, but then our pencil comes with a smudger eyeliner look. Is it even? I don't know. Let me see, I think this a little bit more almond shape over here, but we're good. So we have top liner on. I'm going to add the mascara. I do want like a little bit under my eyes, a little something. And I'm gonna do the same effect where I do the outer corner and I smudge it. And that helps to kind of just shape the eye and make it look like my eyes are further apart and gives a more almond shape. The Eyes to Kill is really flexible wand, buildable, and it's super lightweight and defines my lashes. And then the Eccentrical just adds that extra volume for a more dramatic eye look. So now that we're done with the eyes pretty much, I mean, I like them. I think they're soft and glitzy, and really this could work for any eye shape really. And the colors are pretty neutral. The lid color is the only one that has a little sparkle, but I think that, you know, you can use the eye tint on its own. You don't necessarily have to use the stellar on top, but I just love to add that bit of gold. I always go back just in case there's any fallout with the eyeshadow or eyeliner. I always go back and brighten just right under the eye. To make the nose look more narrow, I bring in the concealer a little bit more, and that helps, and that makes the contour look more defined. So now I'm going to set with the Luminous Silk number 6.5. This is the Luminous Silk powder, you guys. This pairs perfectly with the Luminous Silk liquid makeup. It just helps to set and lock in any oil that you get in the T-zone. Look at this glow. So a little bit goes a long way. So right above the cheekbones, I'm applying the Fluid Sheer. And this is for a highlight that's natural, that's radiant. When I think about glow, it's like where the light is hitting me, where the sun is hitting me. So I put it right on the cheekbones, right above the cheeks. And then I also put a little bit in the brow bone right up here. The Microfill Loose Bronzing Powder on the cheeks and the forehead. You know, those areas that you warmed up. I'm just gonna warm them up some more. Armani Privē collection, and I'm going to finish off my look with the Pivot Shazoo. This is perfect for my spring vibes, and it's a peony, soft, it's subtle, but it's very sexy, very elegant, and I like to shower in this. And that's my look, guys, so I hope you like it. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and let me know what other kind of makeup looks you'd like to see. I'll see you guys next time.